Susanna Glidden, and I want to show you the most amazing ambassador handbag you've ever seen.
A handbag?
A change purse. Everything here comes with the bag and fits into its own special bags. It organizes everything you bag. Amazing ambassador handbag, something every woman carries, snaps into the bag right up here. 2 key rings, your house keys. You never have to fumble for them. Your car keys. A bag fits into its own bag. Here's something special. Now here's how to order.
For speedy delivery, call 1-800.